Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So, as I promised, today tugiye kureba the installation of MongoDB, icyo cya mbere dukeneye, and I hope everyone will be getting this fantastically. So, hari video ndashyira hasi iyi ngiyi to guide you through the basics of the installations and why we are installing the whole thing. But yo ni imyaka ine ishize. That's why I made this video. Nakaikuwa nabaretse mugakoresha the other video, but use this one for reference because the website it's pretty different from the latest one, from the last one in the 4 years ago. So first of all, tugiye kureba MongoDB, its official website. As you see, it's it's more different from the other one mwabonye muri that video. So you're seeing it. So hano kugira ngo hari abantu bayoba bakoresheje the other video. So this one, just click get started. Sorry for that. Click the products, mlikuwa na hano link ya products. So here on the products, dushaka gukoresha local MongoDB as you saw in the notes ziri hejuru. Tugiye gukoresha the community edition. This is to develop locally with MongoDB. So dushaka downloading automatically on our databases. Nkuko naberetse hari options ebyiri zo gukoresha MongoDB, hari Atlas na locally. So dushaka downloading iyi locally aba ari dukoresha. So you'll click community edition and then download free. So after download free, okay, you'll get this MongoDB community edition. Okay, MongoDB community server. This is what we need. So click select package, and then after selecting the package, you will click the version as the current one. When you're the version is current, it updated with changes kirimo. And then urahitamo platform yawe bitewe n'ikintu ukoresha. Niba uri gukoresha Mac operating systems, uri gukoresha Linux, Linux, mukoresha Debian, Mac OS, you know what to use. Everyone knows what to use. So when we gukoresha window nkanjye, mukoresha window 64 bits of course, and then download the package. Package ushaka kuyidownloading iri muri MSI as one package, okay, itari muri zip. So go ahead and click download. And then after downloading, you will get the download, of course, because the entrance has been fitted. You just don't need to download it twice. And then you will open your folder. After opening your folder, write one. And then kuibona hano, you know the whole thing then. Just see the other video. Sorry. Ndaza kwishyira hasi iyi ngiyi. So after this, follow the rest of it hasi kuri video ikurikira because I already installed it. Murebere kuri video ikurikiraho and complete the rest.